This is life. Imagine every day spending your morning, afternoon, night drinking this. Fresh. I'm not showing you fake. This is beachfront by Lighthouse. I mean, there's a lot you can do here. Wake up in the morning, you watch the sunrise. In the afternoon, you chill with your family just along the coast. You take some of this, you crack it open, and you eat, man. This is the best place to invest. This is the best place. Any investment along the coastal line always gives you a very high return on investment. And there's a lot of opportunities here. There's a lot you can do with this place. You can build resorts, hotels, even residential houses here. Imagine your customers coming to your resorts and this is what they drink every day. Eat good, fresh seafood. That would be lovely. So this is the estate. Welcome to beachfront by Lighthouse. Call me. Let's close it. You got the point now.